Hey guys, so tonight I'll be watching this candlelight concert that will be held at Cattedrale dell'Immagine. It's near Ponte Vecchio and I have about 30 minutes left to prepare. I'll be watching it with my friend Maricris and yeah, I think I should hurry up now. So I'm almost done. I just need to put on this last earring, grab my coat, and I'm good to go. So right now I'm on my way to Cattedrale dell'Immagine. I'm taking the longer route just to see the Duomo behind me. So guys, we just finished watching the concert and I'm here with Maricris. It was amazing, right? But
Yes.
there were times that we were holding our laughs because there were some people who were coughing. I mean, it sounded funny because, you know, it was... The music was very beautiful. The pianist was very good, and yeah, I mean you can just hear some people coughing and
coughing.
and sneezing, but it was good all in all.
Yes, thank you, Sophia, for inviting me.
You're welcome.
We are
This is so cute. So guys, we are currently here at Banky. We're gonna do a nightcap by having some crepe here. I'm gonna have the nocciola latte. It's only how much is it? 5 euro. 5 euro. Grazie. Thank you so much for the crepe. Right now I'm gonna eat my crepe, and it's the best way to eat this one because I have like live music behind me, someone playing the violin. So this is one of the reasons that I love Florence, because there are so many live music that plays all over the city. Buon appetito! Time to head home now because it's past midnight. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Ciao!